Hello guys, in this video, we will talk about HexOS and whether it's a good option for simplifying your home NAS setup using TrueNAS Scale in 2025. So, HexOS is a custom operating system built on TrueNAS Scale, specifically optimized for home users and small businesses who wants a simple but powerful NAS system. So here's what makes HexOS stand out. Number one, simple UI. Unlike vanilla, true NAS, HexOS comes pre-configured with a cleaner, beginner-friendly dashboard. No need to mess with advanced ZFS settings out of the box. Number two, preloaded apps. HexOS includes pre-installed apps like Plex, Jellyfin, Nextcloud, and Docker GUI, saving you the time for setting them up manually. Number 3. Smart Storage Setup. During the installation, it auto-detects your drives and suggests the optimal RAID setup for your use case. This is a big help for first-time NAS builders. Number 4. Performance. In 2025 tests, HexOS runs smoother on lower-end hardware compared to default true NAS scale. It's optimized for home-grade CPUs and 8 GB plus RAM setups. Number 5. Security and updates. HexOS maintains compatibility with true NAS updates and adds its own patches for UI and integration. That means that you will still benefit from true NAS open source backbone. So, if you are looking to set up a NAS at home but find true NAS scale too complex, HexOS is a great alternative, especially if you want a plug and play experience without sacrificing power. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.